Hey, it's Living with Charnelle. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Make sure to click that subscribe button because I would love for you to join my family. In today's video, I am going to share with you a really simple recipe. I'm going to show you how to achieve these beautiful chicken quesadillas. For this recipe, you will need some chicken. I have regular flour tortillas and some brown flour tortillas. You use whatever you will like. Cheese, I have some leftover cheese here. Bell peppers, I cut these yesterday and I froze them. Onion. And for spices, you can just use all seasoning spice mix and salt and black pepper. But I have all my seasonings here. I have basil, white pepper, parsley, salt, oregano, cilantro, and black pepper. I also have my minced garlic, paprika. Then I'm gonna go ahead, cut my chicken, season it, and we're gonna go ahead and just stir fry it. I'm going to go ahead and use this toaster for mine. If you don't have something like this, kind of like a grilling type of toaster, you can just use like a pan. I'm going to place my tortilla and my cheese. I'm going to start with this Italian style. You can add any type of cheese you would like. You just want to make sure that it's very cheesy. That's all that matters. I'm going to add my chicken. Saute bell peppers. Make sure there's a lot of cheese. You can't have quesadillas without a lot of cheese, so just keep putting that cheese. I'm going to fold this over and close my grill and let that cook. That is how you want your quesadillas to look like. Look at that cheese, melting cheese.